guys, welcome back to my channel. uh, this is my first video of this channel. Keep supporting. And what is this video andre my daughter's pre-kg admission, what are all inside our kit. Let's open. First, there is a beautiful student kit, beautiful crayons, pencils, eraser ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. Next, a beautiful binding wrapper and two course books ಇದೆ. This is all in one course book and it is all in one workbook, and beautiful two notes which is 4 line, and another one is a box type to write their alphabets, number, whatever. Wow, this is a beautiful dress which should be she wore on Wednesday. I think this is for activity. And this is a beautiful uniform. Look at this uniform. Literally I love this uniform. ಈ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ I literally got very emotional because a newborn daughter, she is a very luckiest daughter in our family. Suddenly while she was going to school, we'll have a little emotions. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡು ಮಗುನ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಬೈತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಶಿ ಬೇಬಿ ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಂದೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಏನು, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಂಗಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೆಜಿಗೆ ಯಾರೂ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಿಂಗಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಳೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ತೀಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ತುಂಬ ಭಯ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ June 1st is a school reopening. Let's see what she will do. And ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ವೆಟರ್ ಚಳಿ ಆದಾಗ ಹಾಕಿ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಚಳಿಗಳ ಬರೋ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 3 kg ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 3 kgs notebooks and things. And thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting because this is my first video of this channel. ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ no idea, so please support ಮಾಡಿ. If you want to know anything you can comment me. Thank you for watching. Bye.